All right. Welcome back to Hugh's Journey. This is your boy Hugh. And I'm on the arteria, the eastern side of the arteria. Good old Poughkeepsie. Yes, I'm going back to the garage to pick up my car again. This road has so many names. Church Street, Arteria. And by the time I reach down there, it has another name. Right now I'm on Church Street, eastbound. All right. Intersection of South Cherry and Church Street, the arteria. Believe it or not, a lot of people get hurt at these intersections because they drive like crazy. See what I'm talking about? They drive really stupid. And it's peak hours. When I cross the light, I remember going to work one night, heading down the road here. I was actually in this left lane. And by the time I reach where that fire hydrant is, it's coming up. There was a car coming up this road in the lane I'm at. And this is a one-way, as you guys can see. It's 3 lanes, but it's a one-way. The opposite side, about 3-4 blocks to my left, I think might be 3 or 4 blocks to my left, is the western direction of the arteria. Yeah, right about here. Car was coming up in this lane. And then it was about a few minutes after 11 going to work, because I do work a midnight shift. And I just have a low tolerance for tardiness, so I'm always early. And then 2 crazy dudes coming behind me. The one behind me wouldn't slow down, and the one beside me wouldn't slow down, so I could not change lanes. I had to stop in the road. I'm glad the person behind me didn't ram me in the back. Yeah, and the person actually turned around here. I went in that lane over there. Crazy. Just crazy. Yeah, it's dangerous roads. And there are a bunch of schools around the area. But make sure nobody's turning. Although sometimes they do turn, don't even have indicators on, but they still turn. Ugly Tesla. Yeah, it's a peak hour traffic in PK. Here's one about to turn. I'm not afraid to cross, I just don't trust these drivers. I've got some real crazy experiences driving at night, going to work, in this town and out of town. I mean, most times I stay in the center or the left lane because of where my exit is, a few blocks up the road. And so many times I have people cutting off from the, in fact, one of the things is person driving behind me and they overtake me to turn off on the left. You have people driving from the middle lane, do the same thing. From the extreme right lane, same thing. Just absolutely ridiculous. Crazy. Yeah, the high school is up there, way down. You can really see it anyway, but it's beyond where The flashing light is on the left. And across the street from there is the middle school. One of the, what is kindergartner, pre-K is right around the corner here. Yeah, there's a ton of schools in the city. There are 2 regular colleges, 1 community college, 1 high school, a bunch of middle school, magnet school. Don't know if there's a difference between the magnet and the pre-K or kindergarten or middle school. I don't know. Like Jamaica, we say we have primary schools. They don't have that here. Here's one of the school, Smith School. Some time ago, this school was closed, but then they reopened it. I don't know what's going on. Okay, can I go around? Oh, I'm not gonna try because I'm not sure. Yes. Good old Poughkeepsie. This actually is a historic town. There's a lot of historic sites around here. Franklin D. Roosevelt. In fact, I think both Roosevelt have houses in the area, Hyde Park. One of the bridges named after one of them. Okay, in the middle there, that low building is the back of the high school. Boy, those things are sweet to drive. Well, I've never driven one on the road, but I worked for a company that made Coca-Cola bottles, and we had to go. I was a forklift driver actually, and I had to go outside with what they call the other one. It's a trailer head, and a trailer head for one person. I got to go out there, get my trailer, back it into the loading dock and load it. Yeah, just imagine the first time I went in one. This guy claimed he showed me how to deal with it once and expect me to be like a professional and driver like him, and he keep bragging on me how we can back up and all these kind of things. Stupid. Oh my gosh, I'm getting my exercise in. I'm gonna be cutting this video at 10 minutes. Did not realize I was walking so far. Or maybe I'm just walking slow. The gray and white building, one of my former landlord, Baxter's, own that, and they own so many places in Poughkeepsie. Family Dollar. They just go around like Vassar Brothers Hospital and buy out everything. Yep, they do. No expectation of privacy in public. Yes, and this is Main Street. Goes through the center of town. Main Street. I'm gonna make a right turn on this one way. Yeah, go down here. So, to all my peeps, please like, share, and subscribe. Help a brother to grow the channel. All right, thanks very much, and have an awesome day.